Hi, I'm Eliza. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making these chai coconut chia puddings. These ingredients are per serving, and if you substitute the chai powder for something else, then the recipe is dairy-free. To each bowl, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. I used white chia. Then add half a teaspoon of maca powder. Maca is really great for helping to balance out hormones as well as a lot of other benefits. I use the Bracaglia brand, however you can use whichever you like. Then add in 1 teaspoon of the chai powder. The nutrition info on this brand was incorrect and the carbs are higher than I would like, so I'd recommend using one that has a little less added sugar. Then add in 130 ml of coconut milk. If you don't like coconut milk, you could use almond milk. I then add in this Nature's Hollow honey substitute that I got from the Low Carb Emporium. You can use actual honey or some sort of liquid sweetener instead. Then I mix it up until all the ingredients are blended together. You can store these puddings in the fridge and they will be good for about 4 days. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed this recipe, and please hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.